Hello minifigures, I'm a genius here, and today I would like to show you my alternative build for LEGO Minecraft set this time. This is set number 21123, the Iron Golem, which contained 208 pieces, 4 characters, and had a retail price of $20 in the United States. From the pieces in that set, I decided to make a battling arena. Inside, there is the Iron Golem, which attaches to 2 green jumper plates. Then we have another jumper plate over here to attach the mob that's gonna fight the Iron Golem. And then in the center, you can, well, maybe place another figure there, or whatever you want. Anyways, the walls of the battling arena are just high enough to prevent the Iron Golem from escaping, wandering off, and to prevent other mobs from escaping as well. Now, the way this works is basically, Alex, well, she would like to have some entertainment after she's built the Iron Golem, and so she gathers together some blocks and makes this battling arena. And she lures the zombie up these steps. And then the zombie steps over this trapdoor here. Alex presses a button, releases the trapdoor, and then sets it back up. And now the zombie is trapped in the arena with the Iron Golem. And as you know, Iron Golems will attack hostile mobs, except for creepers. You have to deal with those on your own. And so, Alex gets to watch as the zombie is totally destroyed by the Iron Golem. And you can play this out with other figures that you might have. Oops. Let's get the figures out of the way. And there's also, I also put the crafting table, the furnace, and the pumpkin up here, as well as a torch to light up the area. And there's a flower on the back here, and some hidden iron ore that Alex had left over. Oops. I didn't break that. I just broke it. Crap. Just a minute. I think now would be a good time to inform you that it is not good to press down on this trapdoor right here, because it will make this piece collapse, and the arena is also only attached by these 2 bricks here. So keep those 2 things in mind. There's nothing else that's really unstable about the model. That's just those 2 things that tend to break apart. So when you want to set your figure over the trapdoor, just set them in between the studs, like that. And that way, of course, they will fall off, because, you know, if you attach them to studs, they won't really fall off. I'll just stick them there. There's not much else I really have to say about this battling arena, except for the spare parts that you have left over. Only a small handful. Very nice. I managed to use up most of the pieces here. There you go. That's all you got left over there. And, yeah. There you go. Let's see how this is built now.